Happy Valentine's Day. It's Tuesday, February 14th. And the hair is a little better today, but he did chop me a little short. The good news, hair grows, so it'll be all right. I wore my Valentine sweater. I've worn it before, but today was the appropriate day. Thank goodness it was cool enough. I got back in Firefly Notes, these beautiful tins that you can use for notions or buttons or any little thing that you think you need. They're metal boxes that slide open and closed. The large ones are $20.95. And I have this beautiful kitty. And I have these bumblebees, Firefly Notes. They all make everything that's so sort of, they're all done by hand, and they're just have a little vintage look to them, which I love. This is the cactus, the sequoias out west. These are the squid, right? Love this little squirrel. And by the way, he's knitting. Can you see the knitting squirrel? Adorable. And there's always a lovely Sly Fox box. Love the Sly Fox. Now we have a smaller size as well. These are really good for pills. These guys are $14.95. I have the mushrooms. Love the mushrooms. I have the sheep and the pigs. Sheep and the pigs. Can you see them? Right. I love this. Fascinated by shiny things like every blackbird or raven or grackle that you've seen. This one is the seal of approval. Nice fat seal sitting down. This is a beautiful pear. Just looks like antique, I don't know, art drawings, you know, of the pear itself. And this I love, Wisdom, the owl. To always have a little wisdom. All right, so those are my new boxes. Love that. I also got a little tiny bit of Rios and Rasta in because we needed to fill in some things. It's getting that time of year when I'm not going to get a whole lot more in, but I got in this beautiful Solace, which is blue-green, and this teal pom-pom is perfecto. Exactly what you need to make a last-minute hat. It may not get cold enough again this year, but you'll be ready for next year. It will definitely work. I also got in, let me grab them. I got in 3 new colors in Rios. I got in the Liquid Umber, which is, I love this one. This has got more color in it than usual. The shawl that we have here is done in Liquid Umber. I'll show it to you. This is blue jean. Nope, this is denim. Love denim. And this is always good to have. This is the ivory, right? These guys are $19 a piece. The Rasta is $26.50. And the pom-poms are $36. Let me grab this shawl. Should have been more prepared today. Never that prepared. This is the shawl that's done in Liquid Umber. Yeah, that's right. Is that right?
Yes.
Yes, Liquid Umber. Thank you. So this was a couple batches ago, but this is the current batch. So it's similar. Looks good. So if you want to do this shawl, this is from Kathy Schlegel. This is her pattern. It is Ruthie's Wrap. Takes 3 skeins of Rios. So 3 skeins of the Liquid Umber. And you've got a marvelous shawl. So I told you a lot today. It's a whole lot going on. All right, you have until midnight tonight to buy what needle sets I have left on sale. 20% off, right? Midnight tonight. All right. Oh, and to buy a gift certificate. You get a $100 gift certificate. You get an additional $25 with no charge. And if you buy a $50 gift certificate, you get a second one for $15. That's good until midnight. So if you want to buy them online, that's one thing. We are open until 5. And right this minute, it's 4:30, so maybe the phone will ring in the next 35 minutes. We'll see. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Happy Valentine's Day.